friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 6-pack magazine for these gel blasters or whatever. So these are like 10,000 in each one or whatever. If you're familiar with the gel blasters, throw these in the water. They expand and you can just shoot them, and they're a really fun game to play. Just like make sure you have eye protection, but they're a lot of fun. They sting a little bit, but yeah. So you just throw those in water and they expand, and then if you have your gun right here, you just load them up. So if you were playing like a fun big round of like gel blaster game, you could have like extra ones in your pocket, and then you would just take this lid off real quick. And once you're empty, put that on your gun, and then you're ready to go with more. So these things are really a lot of fun, and they're super inexpensive. They're not like paintball or anything where you have to have like air pressure tanks and the paint's expensive. These, I mean, are like the most inexpensive little bullet things you can possibly buy, and you just throw them in water and they're ready, they expand, they're ready to go in a couple hours. So if you're big into this gel blaster thing, these things are an absolute blast, and to have these extra little 6 extra little containers is really cool. You know, my sons and I play this a lot, and we just kind of shoot each other. It's a lot of fun, but to like actually have a little war and be like, okay, we got extra extra ammo just in case. So because you can go through a lot, they shoot like fully automatic, so you can go through a lot of bullets. It's nice to have some on reserve, and you just throw them in there and you're ready to go. Plus they're kind of cool. They look like little grenades or whatever, so that's kind of neat too. But super easy, super handy. It takes a little time to reload if you don't have these. I mean, you gotta kind of fill them up. So if you have these on hand, this is a great thing for those gel blaster wars. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time.